Giving health advice number 2 with should and should not. Let's learn today how to give health advice with should and should not. One, your son should not play computer games a lot. Your son should not play computer games a lot. 2. Your daughter should brush her teeth before she goes to bed. Your daughter should brush her teeth before she goes to bed. 3. Your dad should not drink cold water. Your dad should not drink cold water. 4. Your wife should go to a gym. Your wife should go to a gym. 5. He has a terrible cough. He has a terrible cough. He should not drink cold water. He should not drink cold water. He has a terrible cough. He should not drink cold water. Six. He has a terrible cough. He has a terrible cough. He should wear a face mask. He should wear a face mask. He has a terrible cough. He should wear a face mask. 7. She has a knee pain. She has a knee pain. She should see a physiotherapist. Physiotherapist. She should see a physiotherapist. She has a knee pain. She should see a physiotherapist. Eight. She has a bad knee pain. She has a bad knee pain. She should not take longer walks. She has a bad knee pain. She should not take longer walks. 9. Your son has a runny nose. Your son has a runny nose. He should use some tissues. He should use some tissues. Your son has a runny nose. He should use some tissues. Ten. You should take antibiotics. 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 You should take antibiotics. 11. You should take some cough syrup. You should take some cough syrup. 12. He should not watch TV. He should not watch TV. 13. He should limit screen time. He should limit screen time. 14. She should see a doctor. She should see a doctor. 15. He should not talk too much. He should not talk too much. 16. You should not use the computer for a week. You should not use the computer for a week. 17. He should give a good rest to his eyes. He should give a good rest to his eyes. 18. You should not put ice on it. You should not put ice on it. 19. Asim has fever. He should not go to school today. Asim has fever. He should not go to school today. 20. Your son has an earache. Your son has an earache. He should not listen to loud music. He should not listen to loud music. Your son has an earache. He should not listen to loud music. (21) Irina has a stomach ache. She should not eat fast food. Irina has a stomach ache. She should not eat fast food. 22. Svetlana is sleepy at school. Svetlana is sleepy at school. She should sleep more at night. She should sleep more at night. Svetlana is sleepy at school. She should sleep more at night. (23) Juana has a toothache. She should go to a dentist. Juana has a toothache. She should go to a dentist. (24) Milana has a cold. She should not work outside. Milana has a cold. She should not work outside. (25) You work 8 hours a day. You work 8 hours a day. You also go to school from 6 p.m. to 5 p.m. 5 days a week. You should rest well. You work 8 hours a day. You also go to school from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. 5 days a week. You should rest well. Good job, everyone.